Welcome everyone to HFN. We're also known as Hufen News. This is the location to where we trade different. Today is December the 10th, 2020. We're going to give you all the update on XPeng. This is one of the new Chinese EV vehicle outside of NIO that has been traded on the New York Stock Exchange. You all can see we did cover this particular stock market back in November. Actually, it was on the 14th of November when we did our first prediction on XPeng, and as you all can see, the market went higher. Now, before we dive into what has occurred since that particular forecast and give you all the update as to what we're noticing in this market for XPeng, make sure if you guys appreciate our videos and our content that you like the video, you share, you subscribe, you hit that bell notification, just press it so you all will become notified whenever we upload our videos to this medium. So XPeng, we played our forecast on November the 14th on the 7-hour time frame, right? So this is it. The market in XPeng literally came and held $40, and we told you all that on our video. You can check it out, it's in our playlist, that we will TP the market up there around $40 because the trap has already garnered where he was willing to support the market is right there at $40, and he did for about 2 7-hour price bars. And that's why the market in XPeng went higher. Okay. So obviously that is done. It's over. We've seen the market trade a lot of days since then. So if you all were able to capitalize on that movement, 4.43% profitability, many people was antsy to continue to see this market go higher in price. And it definitely did. Now, there has been some news out that, the New York Stock Exchange, the United States was going to delist some Chinese stocks. And henceforth, why the market in XPeng has been seeing weakness, So the question is, which you already should know the answer to, are we still in an uptrend into the market in XPeng? I'm just going to extend it so you can see it, just to give you a visual depiction as to where the market is headed. So obviously the answer is no. We're not in an uptrend anymore in XPeng. So don't let no one try to fool you into thinking that this market is a buy. It is not a buy at this particular moment. Why? Because the market has broken the trend. So what trend are we in then? If we're not in an uptrend, there's only two other options that we can be in. Either the market is trading sideways or we're in a downtrend. So out of those two, which one are we in? A downtrend or trading sideways? This is what I'm going to go with. We are now in a downtrend in the market in XPeng. And the downtrend is quite severe. The slope of this downtrend in XPeng is severe. We're literally close to breaking this particular market outside of this downtrend. And we might turn from a downtrend trading into a range. And one of the things I really want to show you is look at this volume that came in yesterday. Okay. Look at that volume. It's been a lot higher over the last 4 trading days. We haven't seen this much volume come into the market in XPeng since the 2nd of December. So what is going on? Looking at the market on the 2-day time frame in XPeng, the market is still weak. Now, I'm seeing already here historically that the market definitely is going to try to show some support around 42.50 back down to $40. Okay. On the 2-day time frame, 3 days, this market is still garnering some weakness. And here you're also noticing that there is some restriction coming in the market in XPeng right there around, I would say just a nice round number around $49.50. Okay, it's restriction now. So don't expect the market to go higher until you see this market break $49.50 in that vicinity. Okay, Weekly time frame, we got a day and 9 hours left. Again, it looks as if this market has a lot of weakness to go through, and $40 definitely is in play on a weekly time frame for the trap to come in and try to hit support. Okay, so with us looking at all of these time frames into the market in XPeng, what is your expectations? We have already distinguished or extinguished the fact that the market is not in an uptrend. The market is not trading sideways. So the only option we have left is this downtrend to continue. So the only thing we need to try to answer and figure out is, okay, where will the trap enter the market to prop it up, to stop it from moving lower? And I told you, $42.50 back down to 40. 40 is still very plausible that we can see that actually occur. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. We are still going to forecast the trap to lower the value of XPeng. Now I told you around $49, $50 is restriction. And we're going to do that there. So that is our restriction area right here around $50, which if the trap was able to bring the market up there, be around 11.64% loss right there. All right. We also said that he's looking to prop up the market, would be around $42.50, which we would take a little bit off the market there, back down to 40. All right. So we're definitely looking for this market in XPeng to go lower. The trap is still anticipated to show some weakness. Now I told you, we are close to breaking or making an ultimate decision as to whether or not we're going to resume this downtrend or are we going to break it, because this volume definitely lets me know that he has already came into the market and is trying to prop it up, which is why we're going to TP this market around $42.50. Okay, that's the only thing. So I'm looking at the market now. You need to do the same. So what is your thoughts? What is your opinion? Give me your prediction, your forecast in XPeng. Are we going to continue to go lower? Where will the market stop its movement from going lower? At what price? $42.50? $40? Maybe even $37.75. Who knows? Tell me. This is our forecast, our prediction. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability and just trade different.